So what I've done is I just want you to um, work through this one with me on your worksheet. This is exactly the same question. Um, Dora has this money. She spends 45p. How much change does Dora get? So we need to work out the total. Well, there's two different ways we can do this. The first way is that we don't even have to add up the total because we've got everything that we need in front of us. We've got all the money. We look at the money that we're taking away, how much she's spending, 45p. So we look at the tens and the ones. So if I look at the money here, I need to find some coins that add up to 40p or 4 tens. So let's use 20p. It's the biggest coin we've got there. It's got the most value, 20p. 40p take away 20p. 4 take away 2 is 2. 40 take away 20 is 20. So let's use two 10p coins. So we've taken away 20p. 40p. So then we look at how many pennies we've got here. We've got 5 1p's. So I'll just use this 1p. This 5p. So I'll cross that off. So now we just look at how much we've got left. So if we count up the ones first, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got counting twos, 2, 4, 6. 4 add 6 equals 10, doesn't it? So we've got 10. 10 add 5, 15. 15 add 10 more is 25. So our answer is 25. If we look at this question again, we can also look at finding the total amount of this money. So let's count the ones first. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10p there. We should know that 5 add 5 is 10. So we've got 10 20p. 20p add 20p equals 40p. 40p add 10, 50, 60, 70p. So we should have 70p. We're taking away 45p. We subtract the ones first, don't we, normally when we look at this? Can't take away the ones here because we don't have any. So we've got to borrow from the 7 tens. Alright, so I'm going to change that to a 6. I'm going to add this 110 to the 0. So now I have 10p there. 10p take away 5p. 5p. 6 take away 4 is 2. Answer 25p. Tommy has this money. We've got the coins in front of us, so we can just take away or cross off the amounts that we sort of need to take away. So Tommy has this money, spends this amount, 25p. How much change does Tommy get? Right, 20p, 5p. So if we took those away, we've got 20p left. Answer 20. If you wanted to add up the total and take away 25 from there, 20 add 20 is 40. 40 add 5 is 45. 45 take away 25. Take away the ones first, which should make us have no ones. 4 take away 2 is 2. So 2 tens, 0 ones, 20p. In this question, Alex has this money. How much change? So she spends 44p. How much change does Alex get? Looking at the money we've got in front of us, looking at the number we're taking away, 40p. 4 tens there, so let's take away the two 20p's because 20 of 20 equals 40. Double 2 is 4. 2 of 2 is 4, so 20 of 20 equals 40. So let's take those away. So now we're taking away 4p. Now we're not going to take it away from this. It's too big. We have 5p. We take away 4. When we cross it off, there's still some left, isn't there? We'd still have 1p left. £50p, add 1p, 51p. Annie buys this book. She pays with a £10 note. So we're looking at notes now. We're looking at pounds, not pennies. How much change does Annie get? So the book is £5. We've got £10. 10 take away 5 equals £5. And we know that 5 add 5 also equals 10. Dex buys these sweets. So he's got these packet of sweets here and they cost 52p. Gives the shopkeeper £1.68. How much change does Dexter get? Now, we're only taking away 52p. So the £1 isn't going to be any different. So it's still going to be £1 and something. If we were to take away 52 from 68, 2 from 8 equals 6, 5 from 6 equals 1, so our answer would be £1 and 16p.